Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you a recipe to make this black hair dye powder, which is very easy to make and it is made from ingredients which are easily available. It's a homemade recipe and it is very natural and it has no side effects. It gives black color to your hair, or at least it turns your hair into dark brown when mixed with mehendi. This is a powder which can be made and stored in a container to use it whenever you want. So the recipe is simple. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this hair dye, I will be using ingredients which will help to color your hair into black or dark brown. For that, first of all, I'm using Amla, which is rich in copper, which leads to the formation of melanin, which is responsible for the black color of your hair. It also helps in blood circulation of your scalp, therefore increasing the health of your scalp and hair follicles and increasing the production of melanin. This is easily available online and it can be purchased in kirana stores too. The next is a kitchen ingredient. These are cloves, which boost hair growth by increasing blood circulation. It also enriches the scalp with oxygen. In addition to vitamin A, C, and K, they also contain iron, manganese, and potassium, which promotes the health of your hair follicles, increasing the production of melanin and keratin to your hair, thereby keeping your hair in dark color. The next ingredient is curry leaves. Again, we all know that curry leaves helps to darken the hair roots. It is usually used to color your hair. It also has vitamins and copper and iron, which helps to darken your hair when applied on the scalp. And it also promotes the health of your hair follicles, thereby increasing hair growth. The next ingredient would be the peel of garlic. Again, I'm using this as a hair colorant. When roasted into black color, it gives some sort of a dye. It turns your hair into black color. I have a separate video on this. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. So you can take a peel of few garlics. The method to make this powder is very simple. All you need to do is roast all the ingredients. First of all, I'm taking a thick kadai, iron kadai, and I'm adding this dried amla. As you roast it, it pops up into a thick, it takes up its original shape and it turns dark. Keep on roasting in low flame until it starts to smoke. When it starts to smoke, it is understood that it has roasted well. If you find one or two pieces which are not roasted, you can either roast it later or you can just remove it. So just roast it until it smokes, and in that smoke add all the ingredients. I'm adding curry leaves and the garlic peel, and you need to roast this into black. Add also the cloves, a few. I'm taking at least 12 cloves to make this powder. So roast it until the garlic peel and the curry leaves turn into black again. Once the roasting is done, which takes at least 10 to 15 minutes in low flame, you can put off the stove and let it cool in the same kadai. The latent heat also roasts the remaining ingredients. So once it is cool, you can see that all these have become crisp. Take a clean mixer jar, which should be dry, and drop in all these ingredients which you just roasted, and you can grind it into fine powder. Once you grind it, the hair dye powder is ready. You can see this is so black that it can color your hair directly also if you just mix it with oil or water and apply, and leave it for few minutes without washing. You can just comb off your hair and it will be like a instant hair dye. So you can mix it with mehendi and apply on your hair and leave it for 1 or 2 hours before you can wash off and see the results. Depending on your age and the type of hair you have, this can turn your hair into dark brown or even black. So make this powder and keep it ready. In my next video I will be showing you how to make use of this powder in mehendi to get long lasting results and very good results. So if you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel.